My name is Arjen Loefen. You are here because you have a very important role in the development of ODF and the software around it.
My name is Joseph Pali and I'm the CEO of Z-Cubes Incorporated. We're based in Houston, Texas. We work with something called omnifunctional softwares. That's basically a piece of software that do everything that, for example, Office does and other applications do, all in one platform. Now, our interest in ODF standards and its success is that we obviously want to look at all the documents that have happened in the past, but also launch things in a way that in the future, we are able to innovate further from just where we are. The interest that we have is that the final focus of everything is the user, not exactly data or formats and stuff like that. What does the user want? So we have to look at what he needs, what he might need in the future, and what he could potentially have, which means innovation. It's great to see all of us getting involved together and working towards a successive standard that eventually in the future we'll have more innovative solutions coming out of it rather than the current status quo.
My name is Marino Marcic. I'm Managing Director of the ODF Alliance. Our mission is to advance the adoption and use of ODF, particularly in the public sector.
My name is Bart Hansens. I work for FedEx.
My name is Peter Onstein. I am the manager of the Microsoft Word development team, and also I am the architect of the ODF implementation that we just did in Microsoft Office 2007 SP2.
Hi, my name is Rob Weir from IBM. I'm co-chair of the ODF-TC, also a member of Bart's OIC-TC. I think there is a revolutionary aspect to it, and maybe to realize the revolution, you have to look back and say, what was the world like in, say, 1990? WordPerfect had its own proprietary binary format, and down through XY Write, Manuscript, Volkswriter, WordStar, every other application, and interoperability was horrible. The underlying technology, it's still fonts, it's still paragraphs and lists. None of that's quite exciting. I think the stuff going on at Z-Cube is quite exciting, and that kind of, I think, is more the revolutionary functionality. But just the existence of the idea of an open document format is big.
The revolution comes in is tools like Z-Cubes and others that are coming online and available. That we're seeing, that go well beyond the traditional Office suite.
The thing that, for instance, struck me as very innovative in Z-Cubes is if you have a spreadsheet and you add two cells to each other, normally if you have a number in one, number in the other, and you get the result, it's a number. But what Z-Cubes does is you can add an image to an image. Do such paradigms. I mean, it's all, and you get a new image, and it has two images superimposed in you. I mean, that type of thing where you can create different types of objects. Say, well, this is just a type of object. We have a certain type of rules between those, and we don't just limit it to the old things that we have. But this could be, well, anything. A video on top of a spreadsheet. Why not? Why just have a static image?
The browser is not a document authoring tool, and I think that users' expectations are a little different.
Z-Cubes.